Okay, now let's go ahead with the friend function. A friend function is a function declared in a class that can access private and protected members of that class, in addition to the public members. By using the keyword friend, compiler knows the given function is a friend function. Declaration of the function should be done inside the class, starting with the keyword friend in order to access data of that class. So this is the syntax. So here we have a class and we have to write the class name inside which we have to declare another class, another function as a friend. So to declare a function as a friend, first we have to start with the keyword friend, with the return type of the function, followed by the function name along with one or more arguments it has. So if I have a class named A and I will declare a function, let's say display, to be a friend. So I have to first write friend, the return type, let me say void display, and then a number of arguments. By declaring this, we declare that it is a friend of the class named A in our example, so it can access the protected and private members of the class as well. Now, friend class, like friend function, is a class that can access the protected and private members of a class inside which it is declared as a friend. For declaring a class to be a friend, the class which has to access the data members must be declared as a friend inside that class. So friend class has a similar goal like friend function. So here is the syntax. Same inside the class, we have to declare another class to be a friend. So start with the keyword named friend, then the class keyword, then the name of the class which we have to declare friend to. So if I say inside the class A, I have to declare class B as a friend. So I say friend class B. So now B can access all the members, private, protected, as well as public of class A. Now let us see the implementation of friend class and friend function. Let's see now how to implement a friend class. Go ahead and first let me keep the name as friend class. And let me include the header file in namespace std. Let me go ahead and keep a class named A. Inside the private access specifier, let me have int A. Inside the public access specifier, let me have int B and C. Inside the protected access specifier, we have int B. Now I'm going to create a default constructor inside the public access specifier. So let me initialize A to 1, A to 2, C to 3, and A to 4. Okay, so let me have another class named B, and inside the public access specifier, let me have an int E. Okay, so now let me declare a friend. Let me declare B as a friend of A. For that, what you have to do is write it almost anywhere. So let me write here friend class. That's it. So now the class B can access the private, public, and protected members of class A. Let's see how. Let me create another function void update, and let me go ahead and keep E is equal to A plus B plus C plus this update function will take the arguments as the object of class A. So that essentially means A, the name as object. And now we can update. So E is equal to object dot A plus object dot B plus object dot C plus object dot D. We also have a constructor here so that the value of E will be initialized when the object is created. So default constructor is equal to 0. Inside the main function, let me create an object of class A. So A object 1. So once we create the object of class A, the values A, B, C, D will get initialized for this object. Let me create another object obj2. Now use our update function, as now B is a friend of class A, so we can use the public, protected, and private members of A, and so E can be updated. Let me say obj2 dot update. Now obj1. The argument is we are passing an object of class A. We are passing an object of class A. Let me go ahead and output the value of E for object 2. Let's check the output. This is 10. As you can see here, focus 7, 10. We can use the public, protected, and private members of class A using the friend class B. So this was the implementation of friend class. Now let us go to the implementation of friend function. Okay, now let's see the implementation of friend function. Include the header using namespace std. Now let me create a class named A again. Type private access specifier, let me have NA. Inside the public access specifier, let me have int B, int C, and inside the protected access specifier, I have int D. Now let me have a constructor also to initialize the values, default constructor. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, and D is equal to 4. Now let me create a function in which we have to declare it as a friend. So I'm gonna say int sum of, then we have to pass an object of class A. And always remember we can't pass the address, as friend function always takes arguments as a reference. So a object, the definition inside. So let me declare it as a friend. So friend return type is int for my function. Int name of function is sum. I say A as the class name as its argument. Now let me return the sum. Sum object dot A plus object dot B plus object B plus object dot A. So it returns a sum. Inside the main function, let me create an object of class A and name it as object. Now let me create another variable int sum, and this to be sum of obj. That's it. Now let me output the value of sum. Okay. Now it says sum cannot be used as a function. Okay, so we have the same name. Let me say S and S. Have two names for same keyword on. And so we get the value as 10. This was the implementation of friend function. Thank you.